A slow computer, we've all been there. The endless waiting, the spinning wheel of doom, the loading bars that seem to take an eternity. Waiting, staring at the screen, hoping for a miracle. It feels like time stands still. It's like watching paint dry, only less exciting. Every second feels like an hour. You click, you wait, you sigh. It's beyond frustrating. You start to wonder if your computer is plotting against you, but don't worry, there's hope. You don't have to live with a sluggish machine forever. You don't need to be a tech wizard to speed things up. Simple maintenance can make a world of difference. With a few simple fixes, you can breathe life back into your sluggish machine. Cleaning out old files, updating software, and managing startup programs can work wonders. We'll walk through common causes of slow performance and easy ways to fix them. From clearing out unnecessary files to upgrading your hardware, we've got you covered. You'll be back to blazing fast speeds in no time. Imagine the relief of a responsive, fast computer. It's within your reach. Regular maintenance, like running virus scans and keeping your system clean, can prevent future slowdowns. It's all about taking small, consistent steps. Organizing your files and using disk cleanup tools can free up valuable space and improve performance. It's easier than you think. So don't let a slow computer ruin your day. Take action, follow these tips, and enjoy a faster, more efficient machine. Your productivity and sanity will thank you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We're all about helping you master your tech, and your support helps us create more awesome content. Let's identify the usual suspects behind a slow computer. It's frustrating when your machine takes forever to load a simple web page or open a basic application. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand the common reasons behind this sluggish performance and how you can address them effectively. One common culprit is a lack of RAM. RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for your computer's performance. When you run multiple applications or open several browser tabs, your computer relies on RAM to keep things running smoothly. If you don't have enough, your system will struggle to keep up. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. If it's full, everything slows down. Upgrading your RAM can be a simple and cost-effective way to boost your computer's speed. It's like giving your computer more room to breathe and work efficiently. Another possibility is a hard drive nearing its limit. Your hard drive is where all your files, applications, and operating system reside. When it gets too full, your computer has to work harder to find and access the data it needs, which can significantly slow things down. Just like a cluttered room, a full hard drive can hinder performance. Regularly cleaning up unnecessary files, uninstalling unused applications, and moving large files to an external drive can help keep your hard drive in good shape and your computer running smoothly. Too many startup programs can also bog down your system. When you turn on your computer, it has to load all these programs, which can take up valuable resources and time. Reviewing and disabling unnecessary startup programs can make a big difference in your computer's boot time and overall performance. Imagine a race car with a trunk full of bricks. It's not going to win anytime soon. Similarly, your computer can't perform at its best if it's weighed down by too many startup programs. Lightening the load can help it run faster and more efficiently. And let's not forget about malware. These malicious programs can infiltrate your system, running in the background and consuming resources without your knowledge. They can cause significant slowdowns and even compromise your personal information. These nasty programs can lurk in the background, eating up resources and slowing you down. Regularly scanning your computer with reliable antivirus software and keeping it updated can help protect your system from these threats. By addressing these common issues, you can significantly improve your computer's performance and enjoy a smoother, faster experience. Now that we know the potential culprits, let's play detective. Open your task manager. This handy tool shows you what's running and how much resources it's using. High CPU or memory usage. You've found a bottleneck. Next, check your hard drive space. Right-click your hard drive in File Explorer and select Properties. If it's nearly full, it's time for a cleanup. Section 5. Toolkit Essentials. Software to the rescue. In this section, we will explore the various software tools that can help you tackle common computer issues and optimize your system's performance. Fear not, for there are tools to combat these issues. Whether you're dealing with slow performance, insufficient memory, or malware threats, there's a software solution for you. For low RAM, consider adding more. Upgrading your RAM can significantly improve your computer's speed and multitasking capabilities. It's a relatively easy upgrade that can be done with a few simple steps. Just make sure to check your computer's specifications to ensure compatibility. A hard drive nearing its limit? Time for a cleanup. Over time, your hard drive can become cluttered with unnecessary files and programs. Use the disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files and unnecessary programs. This can free up valuable space and improve your computer's performance. For startup programs, use the Startup tab in Task Manager to disable anything you don't need running at launch. This can help speed up your computer's boot time and reduce the load on your system. And to keep malware at bay, a good antivirus program is your best friend. Regular scans and updates can protect your system from harmful threats and keep your data safe. Don't forget to keep your software up to date. Software updates often include important security patches and performance improvements. Managing your browser extensions can also help. Disable or remove any extensions you don't use regularly to improve your browser's speed and security. Organizing your files and folders can make it easier to find what you need and keep your system running smoothly. Regular maintenance and organization can go a long way in keeping your computer in top shape. Finally, always remember to back up your data. Regular backups can save you from data loss in case of hardware failure or other issues. Use external drives or cloud storage for added security. With these tools and tips, you can keep your computer running efficiently and effectively. Software truly comes to the rescue. Section 6. Maintenance matters. Keep it running smooth. Just like a car needs regular maintenance, so does your computer. Run disk cleanup regularly to remove digital clutter. Defragment your hard drive occasionally to keep files organized for faster access. Keep your operating system and software updated. Updates often include performance improvements and security patches. And don't forget about physical cleaning. Dust buildup can cause overheating, leading to slowdowns. Section 7. The power of prevention. Stay one step ahead. Prevention is always better than cure. Be mindful of what you install and download. Avoid suspicious websites and email attachments. Regularly back up your important data. Consider using a cloud storage service for easy access and an extra layer of protection. By taking these proactive steps, you can minimize the risk of future slowdowns. Section 8. Embrace the speed. Congratulations! You've taken control of your computer's performance. By following these tips, you've banished the lag and embraced the speed. Remember, a fast computer means increased productivity, smoother gaming, and a more enjoyable computing experience overall. Section 9. Join the tech community. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Join our community of tech enthusiasts and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's keep those computers running smoothly.